Be very careful. What is happening in Congress is not a rush decision. Lawmakers spent months refining technical details to protect all retirees. They reviewed economic data and negotiated terms to keep the system financially sound. The result is a package that treats Social Security as sacred. You earned this through decades of contributions, and this legislation focuses on strengthening benefits for those who are already enrolled right now. It makes the system respond to current economic pressures. Inflation has crushed family budgets, and that Congress finally recognized this reality. Groceries cost more, utilities are expensive, and medical bills keep rising. If you have a fixed income, you feel every price increase intensely. Workers can negotiate raises, but retirees cannot. Congress passed measures to help benefits keep up with the real costs of living in the real world. Let me be very clear about what this bill does and does not do. It does not eliminate Social Security, and it does not reduce your current payments. It does not make it harder to qualify if you already receive checks. It reinforces the foundation of retirement security while protecting your money. It introduces updates aimed at protecting your purchasing power. This distinction is hugely important when misinformation spreads faster than facts. Social Security remains the bedrock for most American retirees, and this legislation confirms that status by supporting adjustments for our seniors. Real protection and adjustments. As Rice. The system is designed to respond instead of leaving the elderly behind. But retirement benefits are only one part of this big plan. The bill also addresses disability payments and survivor benefits. These programs serve people facing circumstances outside of their total control. Whether you could not work due to health issues or lost a family provider, these benefits represent a vital lifeline for millions of families today. The approved changes reinforce how these programs maintain their value over time, without altering their fundamental structure or creating obstacles. No new bureaucratic hurdles were created in this process. Many seniors do not survive on Social Security alone. They depend on a mix of benefits. They need assistance with healthcare costs, prescription drugs, and basic needs. This legislation ensures these programs work together seamlessly. They should not operate in isolation anymore. The goal is simple. Eligible people should receive help without unnecessary delays or confusion now. Administrative hurdles must be removed for our seniors. Housing costs have surged and medical expenses continue their upward trajectory this year. If your income does not grow, but your expenses do, you are getting poorer every month. Congress recognizes this mathematical reality very clearly. They pass measures that help benefits maintain real-world relevance. This is not about luxury, it is about making sure your value does not vanish. For most people watching this, the immediate question is, how does this affect my monthly check? The general goal is to keep payments reliable now. Exact amounts depend on your specific situation, but the updates aim to prevent benefits from losing value, which is vital for your daily survival. This legislation represents fairness, balanced with sustainability, protecting current beneficiaries while preserving the system for the kids later. Lawmakers chose specific adjustments designed to strengthen the program without sudden shocks. The approval process reveals how serious this was. They examined inflation data, retirement trends, and health cost projections. This bill reinforces protections that ensure accuracy and punctuality. For seniors living on tight budgets, reliability equals peace of mind. By addressing elements as connected pieces, the bill closes dangerous gaps. Vulnerable seniors were previously left exposed, but as the implementation unfolds, changes will be gradual to avoid overwhelming our beneficiaries. Your benefits continue without interruptions while the updates are integrated behind the scenes. Understanding this does not require a finance degree. At its core, it represents a commitment to strengthening support for older Americans. This approval sends a powerful message about honoring promises. We must honor the commitments made to retirees, survivors, and people with disabilities. Social Security is a promise built on decades of hard work. This decision by Congress reflects the responsibility to keep that promise. While stimulus payments relate to emergencies, this is permanent support. Lawmakers understand that many face ongoing financial pressure, so they are reinforcing the mechanisms of permanent assistance for all of you now. By improving this safety net, Congress intends for Social Security to serve as a solid base, while other forms of support work alongside it today. This reduces situations where seniors face impossible financial choices. Because most cannot easily increase their income, the bill adds value now. It emphasizes adjustments that maintain the real value of money, providing predictability month to month so you can plan your life with confidence. For disability beneficiaries, the legislation maintains existing standards while strengthening the framework for consistent payments every single month. Survivor benefits also receive this essential support during difficult transitions. You do not need to reapply for your benefits under these rules. The adjustments are applied automatically where relevant under existing systems. Accurate processing is essential to maintain public trust today. This project ensures that benefits are delivered correctly, The strengthened framework allows programs to reflect real-world conditions much better. It recognizes that many seniors still contribute to their communities without penalizing that participation. Clearer structures reduce uncertainty. This helps you make informed decisions about budgeting and your health. It is natural to feel cautious about changes, but this is for your peace. This approval is intended to provide stability instead of disruption. Retirement today requires thoughtful policy responses from the government. This bill is an effort to adapt while honoring long-standing commitments. The system is finally catching up to the inflation we see in the stores. No more frozen benefits. While prices skyrocket, the technical adjustments ensure that the math works in your favor for the first time in years now. We are talking about a safety net that is truly safe. The bill also protects the fund from future raids, ensuring the money stays where it belongs. Your contribution history is the key to your benefit level, and this law ensures that history is respected and calculated with new higher rates. Many seniors were worried about cuts, but this legislation does the exact opposite. It anchors the program against economic volatility and risk. You can breathe easier knowing that the foundation is secure. The transition to these new levels will be handled by the Social Security Agency fast. They have upgraded their systems to handle the new calculations without errors. This means your check arrives on the same day but with more power. The purchasing power of the dollar has dropped, but your check's power is being restored by these Congress actions. Stay informed to win big now. Don't listen to the rumors of bankruptcy. The system is being fortified as we speak. NeoTaxUSA is here to bring you the facts straight from the source. The lawmakers looked at the cost of eggs, milk, and rent before signing this bill. They know the struggle is real for those on a fixed income today. This is a win for every retiree who has been struggling to make ends meet. The adjustments are a reflection of the true cost of living in 2026 now. Your peace of mind is the priority of this new legislative package. It also includes protections against scams that target senior benefit checks. Security is being increased both financially and digitally for your accounts. No one should be able to touch your hard-earned money without notice. The bill ensures that administrative errors are corrected faster than before. You won't have to wait months for a simple fix in your benefit amount. This is about efficiency and respect for the American worker. The foundation of our country is built on the labor of the seniors watching this now. Congress has finally acted to preserve the dignity of retirement. The technical details are complex, but the result is a bigger shield for you today. You can plan your 2026 budget with more certainty thanks to these updates. The government is finally listening to the needs of the silent majority. Subscribe if this breakdown helped you understand what is really happening. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments what questions you still have. Your feedback helps me create better content for this community. I want to know if you have seen any changes in your local bank statements already. And if you want to stay on top of these financial updates that really matter, subscribe to NeoTaxUSA, because I will keep breaking down the truth. We avoid the confusion and give you the technical facts you need to succeed. Don't let the media scare you with half-truths about your benefits now. Share this video with your friends and family on WhatsApp and Facebook. Everyone needs to know that their Social Security is safe and stronger. NeoTaxUSA is your shield against financial ignorance in this complex world. We are building a community of informed and empowered retirees today. Success in your finances is my mission, and I am here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for trusting NeoTaxUSA for your daily news. Keep an eye on our next videos, where we will discuss Medicare and tax tips for seniors. There are many more benefits waiting for you to claim them. Success in your finances, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember that knowledge is the best asset you can own now. We are moving forward together toward a more secure and prosperous retirement for all. Thank you for being part of the NeoTaxUSA family this year.